Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about packaging of paneer. Paneer means the product obtained from any variant of milk with or without added milk solids by precipitation with permitted acidulants and eating. Paneer is an extremely perishable commodity due to its higher moisture content. At room temperature, it does not keep longer than a day. Under refrigeration, the shelf life can be extended up to 6 days. Hence, selecting the proper packaging methods or materials will support to extend the shelf life of the paneer. Packaging. The enclosure of products, items or packages in a wrapped pouch, bag, box, cup, tray, bottle or other container to perform the following functions, which include containment, protection, communication, utility of performance, which is called packaging. Packaging plays an important role to protect and preserve the quality of products for a long time. The major factors that determine the nature of packages, which includes variables that affect choice of raw materials, performance of packages in storage and transport, marketing considerations, consumer acceptance, purchase and use, public concern, which includes easy to open, convenient, complementary sets for diverse applications. In general, selection of packaging according to strength, hygiene, appearance, cost and availability. The major packaging materials used for paneer. The types of packaging materials are primary packaging material, secondary packaging material, and tertiary packaging material. The primary packaging material, it has direct contact with the food items. Secondary packaging material, it consists of many numbers of primary packed food items. Tertiary packaging, which consists of many numbers of secondary packed food items. For the paneer, the major packaging materials used are glass, plastic, metal cans, and cardboard. Here, glass is chemically inert and will not affect the quality, odor, or taste of the product. It is strong, rigid, and 100% recyclable. Plastics. It is generally light in weight, flexible, and recyclable. These packaging materials are available in transparent, semi-transparent, and colored packaging. Particularly the plastic features, it is excellent machine ability, high seal strength and puncture resistant. It is suitable for printing, for frozen storage, aluminum foil option for powdered products, and also a common structures of packaging material plastics for the paneer. Either it is polyethylene film, polyethylene terephthalate with polyethylene, otherwise a laminated pouches like polyethylene terephthalate, metallized polyethylene terephthalate, polyethylene terephthalate, nylon or polyethylene. The other packaging materials used for paneer, it is called metal cans. It is in general called tin cans or double lacquered cans or mainly used for packing of paneer. And another packaging material is cardboard boxes. and these boxes are used as a secondary packaging material. It protects paneer during handling and transportation. The major packaging methods for paneer, which includes vacuum packaging, pouch or bottle packaging, otherwise canning. So in these cases, the paneer cubes are packed in a bottles or metal containers. Otherwise, the paneer cakes are packed in a vacuum packaging method. Otherwise, it is packed in blister packaging or it is packed in thermoformed boxes. The important packaging machineries for paneer, it is vacuum packaging machine. Here it is available in different capacity. Either it is single chamber vacuum packaging machine or double chamber vacuum packaging machine. So based on the differences, the capacity also will be differing. And another sealing machine, it is called band sealer. Particularly when we pack this paneer in a pouches, either it is a laminated pouches or aluminum foil, so it is sealed or closed by using the band sealer. Otherwise, the paneer are packed in a blister packaging method. It is taken in the thermoformed cups and it is sealed with a laminated film or it is sealed with the aluminum foil by using the blister sealing machine. Another important packaging method for paneer, it is canning. So in the canning process, the standardized milk is heated up to 90 degrees centigrade. After that, addition of the acidulant solution, draining of whey, hooping, pressing, cutting into blocks, dipping in chilled water. These are all the major processes involved in paneer making operation. After producing the high quality of the paneer, it is packed in metal cans, tin cans, along with the addition of brine. Then seaming will be taking place. After seaming, the metal cans are thermal treated by using a retort chamber where the pressure is 1 kg per centimeter square and heated up to 15 minutes. During this process time, the bacteria or microorganism which is present in the metal cans or in the paneer will be destroyed. Then the metal cans are cooled, labeled and it is stored. Some of the operations which is taking place in the industry for packaging of paneer. So one is pouch filling method. So in this pouch filling, the paneer cubes are taken the known quantity of weight in the pouches. It is filled with manually. After filling, it is sealed with using the band sealer. The band sealer has the capacity per minute 10 to 12 packets can be sealed. Another packaging method which is called a thermoformed cup filling method. In this, the horizontal conveyors are used where the thermoformed plastic cups are placed. In that, the processed paneer also placed. When it passed through the conveyor for the sealing, on the top of the cup, the laminated films are sealed tightly. In some cases, the vacuum cup sealing machines also available, so which will remove the air as well as seal on the top of the product. Another method is called vacuum packaging of paneer. In this vacuum packaging of paneer, the paneer is taken in a flexible kit and it is placed in the vacuum chamber and we completely removing the air and the sealing. This product can extend the shelf longer. Another packaging method, it is called a horizontal form fill sealing machine. So in this, the paneer cakes are conveyed through the conveyor where the plastic clips
ऑनलाइन फिटिंग वाला कर लेंगे आप देख
sent to the form fill sealing machine where the three operations of forming, filling and sealing will be
जब
taken
हम करेंगे
place.
तो उसको लगाना ही पड़ेगा
So according to the capacity and the size of the paneer, the horizontal packing machines are available in the market capacity. So these are the general packaging machineries which is used in paneer making industry. Another important area in packaging of paneer, the labeling. So the labeling we have to follow the FSSAI standards. So normally the paneer will be packed in clean containers and the label must contains the name of the product, name and address of manufacturer, batch number, date or month of manufacturer, net weight of the contents, list of ingredients, FSSAI license number, vegetarian mark, MRP in rupees, the words best before, month and year to be indicated, instruction for storage and use, nutritional information, customer care details. So all these things it has to be clearly mentioned in the label. In the bottom, samples of labeling is given for your understanding. Thank you very much.